critical levels for Fetch AI, or should I say ASI Alliance. Where is this thing going next? It's down 8.6% on the week, up 11.1% on the month, and down 65.3% on the year. So we're going to be checking out all the critical levels for Fetch AI. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. Make sure you guys are smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe, and let's jump right into it. All right, here's the chart for Fetch AI. What are the critical levels? Let's jump right into it here. As you guys can see, Fetch AI has kind of been holding support here. It's been holding up pretty well compared to Bitcoin's drop yesterday, down to below $101,000. A lot of altcoins were dropping pretty hard. Fetch AI has been holding up pretty strong here nonetheless, trying to hang on to this 382 support of 0.74 cents. Now, target to the downside. Let's say this support is lost. Let's say Bitcoin drops lower. Where could Fetch be heading? Well, to the value area high of the month of April, along with this gold pocket here, we could be heading somewhere between 61 to 57 cents to the downside to find some support. We also have a weekly untapped average right below this gold pocket. So we could see a wick through the gold pocket, tapping this weekly average before bouncing back up. Worst case scenario, we do not hold support here, and Fetch AI does drop further down into the monthly MPOC of April, down at 46 cents, which is from where we're at right now, is a pretty steep drop. Currently from 74 cents to our first target here, it's about 23 to 26% to the weekly average. Dropping below that to our monthly MPOC of April, we're talking about a 38% drop from where we're at right now. It's not all doom and gloom. Targets to the upside for Fetch AI. First off, if we can reclaim the monthly range for May, we have a target up at 85 cents, which is the monthly untapped naked point of control. Now, assuming we can break out of the May range and continue climbing up through the Q1 range, we have the Q1 value area high up at $1.14. Once we can climb out of the Q1 range, our next targets to the upside are between $1.21 to $1.31. Expect some resistance here, especially first breaking out of this Q1 range and then hitting two main targets. We could face some resistance up in this area, but assuming we can continue climbing up, right, and we might have a little bit of retracement and then pull back and then push back up again, we do have a macro gold pocket from this local high, right, from this local high of December to the lows of April. We have a gold pocket here at $1.54, and then we have a major untapped yearly pivot, aka yearly average, up at $1.75. And best case scenario is retracing back to the Q2 NPOC of 2024 at $2.24. Now, from where we're at today, we measure out these moves. Fetch AI from currently sitting at 74 cents to the Q1 value area high of 2025, it's a 54% move. To this monthly MPOC of 131, it's 75%. To this gold pocket is 105%. To the yearly untapped pivot is 135, and to the Q2 of 2024 is 202%. Now, I'm not really looking forward to this 226. I don't really think that's possible for Fetch AI, right? Their overall market cap structure and everything's kind of really taking a big shift after the big merger. But I am looking for Fetch AI to at least come up to 131, maybe at best this gold pocket of 154 in the next major altcoin season. I do think that is possible. Now, I'm not saying there's a 0% chance. There's always a chance. And we'll continue to analyze the levels as we go through week by week, month by month, quarter by quarter, year by year, and continue to see how long it takes if Fetch can even come up here and what kind of resistance it faces at these levels. Guys, I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. Drop down below in the comments what next altcoin you want me to cover. And if you haven't joined the Crypto Citadel already, my private trading community, definitely go do so and join. I'll see you guys in the Crypto Citadel.